Spintech Precision Machinery Company Limited. Established in 1995, Spintech Precision Machinery is a credible company specialized in manufacture of machine tools. With the business philosophy of taking credibility and responsibility as our attitude, research and innovation as our direction, quality and on-time delivery as our insistence, customer satisfaction as our objective, systematic management as our guideline, and benefit sharing as our goal. We provide excellent quality machine tools to customers at home and abroad. Win the markets and share benefits with customers for a win-win situation. Complete pre-sale services. Spintech looks to pre-sale service, emphasizing comprehensive communication with customers before selling the products, so that we can grasp customer needs and position our products to provide the most appropriate and satisfactory solutions. In the meantime, we can also suggest on necessary fittings for installation, so that the products can be well installed without much after-sales service needed. Strong R&D capability. Spintech attaches great importance to develop and improve products. In addition to our own R&D targets, we also work with domestic universities on product characteristics, abrasion, vibration, and structure, in order to optimize the products to meet customer demand and ultimately uplift their own end products. Full range of product series. Spintech provides a full range of shafts for traditional jobs of milling, lathing, grinding, drilling, and tapping, in addition to a complete series of products for consumer electronics, aerospace, and medical industries that are in line with the industrial standards. Rigorous quality control. In compliance with the ISO 9001 for quality control, Spintech has implemented an SOP operation, which reinforces the stage self-inspection mechanism. Starting from parts all the way to production, with each stage having its own quality control. So that a complete production history is established. Every product has to go through complete tests. To make sure it has good value for money. Complete supply chain system. Through more than a decade of cultivation and job training of the staff, Spintech has established a complete supply chain system, which helps the entire production system with the standard operations and production scheduling to meet all delivery schedules. In the future, Spintech will continue to dedicate to technology innovation, staff training, product development, and mass production capability. In this global competition of machine tool industry, we'll stand in Taiwan, look to the world, and commit ourselves to provide services as a cornerstone for our customers' success.